Hey everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to put some makeup on. I was cleaning. I did my, washed dishes and swept floors and started laundry and did all that, and then I sat down to watch some YouTube videos. I was watching my friend Aiden, English Prof Style. I'll link her down below. I think I linked her in my last video. She had her palette roundup where she reviews the palettes she used, I think, in the last month. So anyway, I was watching that, and then I got the urge to put some makeup on. So I thought, why not bring you guys along with me? Now, I've done everything except for my eyes and my lips, and maybe some cheeks. I did do my contour and all that, because this is not a chatty get ready with me. This is, we're going to focus on putting some eyeshadow on. So I thought, I haven't played with my new Alice in Wonderland palette yet. So let's play with this. So this is today's, I don't know, maybe I should call this something. Maybe we should do eyeshadows every so often. Eyeshadow palette. So anyway, this is what it looks like. Can you see all of those beautiful shades? Beautiful, beautiful. I immediately see that there is not a, what I call, base shade to set my eyeshadows. And that's true in most palettes for me. So I'm going to use this palette that I am working on panning and just go into this one shade I've been using and set my eyeshadow with it. Now I've got my phone beside me because my husband is in Asheville doing taking care of some things about my brother's estate for me. In case I'm needed, I've got my phone on and beside me. So if I have to go away for a few minutes, or if you hear it ping or something, that's what's going on. Okay, got that done. Now, I don't know what I want to do. I have not even stuck a finger in any of these shades. What am I going to start with? Whatever look I do is not going to match this patriotic red, white, and blue shirt. And I am going absolutely nowhere today. I am just going to be, after I film this, I'm going to edit it, get it up, and then I'm going to hit the boxes that I'm really afraid to show y'all the mess. I'm going to hit that after this. Yes, maybe I am procrastinating a little bit. Maybe. Okay, let me see. I think I'm going to start with this color called That Way, because that's a nice basic shade. And yeah, I'm going to use that in my transition area. So let's try this out. Oh, that's a pretty shade. This is a pretty shade. That's very nice. I like that. I'm going to zoom in so you guys can see what I'm doing today, because this is all about the makeup. This is not about the chit chat. There, I put it in the transition area. That's very nice. Isn't that a pretty, nice, basic shade? I like that. I like that. It's a little brown. To me, it's a little mauve, like a little bit of a mauvey. If I was creating this color, I would add a little bit of the mauve into the tan. But yeah, I like that. A cool tone brown, light brown. Okay, got that done. Now what? Do I want to go greens? Do I want to go purples, pinks? Let's play. Shoot, I don't know what I want to do. Okay, I'm going to swatch 3 shades. I'm going to swatch Down the Rabbit Hole, Oh, that's pretty. That's this one right here. Then I'm going to swatch Very Merry Unbirthday. One of these is going to give me, oh, that's pretty too. That's this one over here. And then I'm going to swatch A-E-I-O-U. That's that purple. And that's down there at the bottom. Okay. I like the green. I like the pink and the green. I like them all. With what I've got going on, I'm gonna start with black. Start with black. I'm going to start with Nothing's Impossible. Look at that little swatch I did. It's got shimmer in it. I doubt you can see that. I'm going to go in with my, this is a Refer number 12. I need to get another one of these brushes. I love this brush. Maybe I should make a Refer order and get a few brushes that I like. Okay, I'm very carefully, I'm going to work this on my outer V to deepen. This is mainly to deepen. I'm gonna I don't want to go in it with it too black. That's not what I want. And I am probably going to go over that with another shade. I just want to deepen this area. And I'm going to work it into my crease a little, exactly into my crease, not about, just in the crease to deepen it a bit. And I'm using very, very, very little bit. I don't want it really pigmented. I'm just laying a base. Okay, let's do this on the other side. Okay. All right. Okay, good. Now, I am going to apply with my finger, clean finger, I'm trying another shade. This is Stark Raving Mad. Now, I think I'm gonna go with A-E-I-O-U, the purple. And I'm, with my finger, going to apply that over top of that black, just like that, with my finger. And then I'm going to take this big fluffy brush. I just want to blend a little. If it's running past where I want it, I want to just kind of blend it out a bit. So right on my lid. Now with the clean finger I've rubbed off, I'm going down the rabbit hole, which is that pretty green, and I'm going to put that over the rest of my lid. Oh man. I think that's so pretty. What do you guys think? I think I want to take my brush, my Refer, and I'm going to go in to that first shade that way, and I'm going to work it a little bit more in my crease. I'm going to blend it in a little more. Okay, now I am going to take, I think, I'm gonna wipe this off. This is the plastic that goes over the shades. I'm going to take this plastic and a little brush, and I'm going to go back into Nothing's Impossible, which is that black. I'm going to get the black on my brush. I'm going to lay this plastic right here, and I'm going to make a little wing. And I'm going to do it on the other side. Little wings. Now I'm going to go with the same black and carefully go under my lower lash line. And kind of blend it underneath. Oh, I like that. Let's put some mascara on. You know what? No mascara yet. I want to do one more thing. Let me get a clean brush. I just got a clean little brush. I'm going to go into Very Merry and Birthday. We'll get that on my little brush. And I'm going to put it up here under my brow bone. Because I can. And let's lighten that up. Do it on both sides. There we go. I'm going to take that same little brush with that same shade, and let's do a little inner quarter highlight with it. Yeah, it's got a shift to it. It's got a pink purpley shift. Yep, very nice. Now I'm going to put my mascara on. You don't need to see this. I'm going to put some lips on, and I'll be right back. Okay, I am back. I got my mascara on. My lipstick is Sydney Grace in the shade Tracy. And there we go. So guys, what do you think? I think it looks pretty good. I'm all set and ready to go unpack boxes. So guys, thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. That really helps me out a lot. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Guys, thank you all for watching, and until next time.